financial headlines, brought to you by Snap-Zed Universe.
Hello and welcome to today's financial reports.
Gold price forecasts though USD holds steady above $1,920 on softer USD sliding US bond yields. Gold edges higher for the second straight day and remains close to over a 2-week peak. Retreating US bond yields undermines the US dollar and lends some support to the metal. Bets for more rate hikes by the Federal Reserve might keep a lid on any meaningful gains. GBP USD advances to 1.2625 on softer USD remains below 100-day SMA support breakpoint. GBP USD attracts buyers for the second successive day and draws support from a softer USD. A further pullback in the US bond yields and a positive risk tone undermine the safe haven buck. Bets for more Fed rate hikes should act as a tailwind for the US bond yields and the greenback. EUR USD Price Analysis. Euro stays defensive above 1.0770 support ahead of German US data. EUR USD remains lackluster after bouncing off 5.5-month-old rising support line reverses from intraday high of late. Receding bearish bias of MACD nearly oversold RSI suggests further recovery of block S currency. Convergence of 10 DMA fortnight-old resistance guards immediate upside ahead of 1.0910 hurdle. Euro bears need validation from 1.